Namaskar. In this video I will discuss about Chitta vrittis and their modifications. According to yogic thought, everything we express and experience in day-to-day life manifests in the form of buddhi, intellect, smriti, bhaya, insecurity or fear, and bhavana, the positive emotion, which are different manifestations of Chaitanya Tattva. The term Chitta represents the total area of human consciousness, and the waves or patterns of consciousness are known as vrittis. Just as when we throw a pebble into a clear, deep blue lake, dozens of concentric ripples or waves are produced. When an experience flashes through the mind, it produces waves. Therefore, Chitta means the aspect which observes, which sees, which is consciously active in the world. Chitta does not mean the mind, because the vrittis are the mind. Fear, anxiety, love, hatred, etc. all produce specific types of wave patterns and create specific Chitta vrittis. In Raja Yoga, these waves or vrittis are classified into 5 basic patterns: right knowledge, wrong knowledge, imagination, sleep, and memory. These Chitta vrittis percolate into the brain, causing a change in its electrical potential, specifically in the cerebral cortex, and form a brainwave pattern.